guys, and welcome to this new episode. I hope all of you are doing so well today. This is video number 2 for this week. We already dropped a video for this week. If you've not watched it, after seeing this video, go to the video section and watch other videos that we've made and the one we've made for this week. Today we're going to be talking about the hard choices Blum has to make. And if you're seeing our video for the first time, guys, smash that subscribe button. We have loads of content you will love to see. You're welcome to the community. It's a very unique one, a very unique community. So yeah, welcome guys. Now without further ado, let's go right into it. So you know that I have been very big on Blum, and I've done a series of videos about them and what I expect them to do over the coming months. Yeah, we've discussed their white paper, we've discussed the project as a whole. I even discussed how you could launch a token on their main part. So if you've not seen all this video, guys, after watching this video, go into the video section. You'll see loads of videos I've made on Blum. Yeah, and that is because I am particularly big on Blum, because Blum is one of the projects on Telegram mini applications, amidst Telegram mini applications, that have something a bit better to hit. But yeah, they've come to a point whereby they have to make hard choices, and is it that they go for the hype to TGE or they might die? This is the way for 99.9% of Telegram projects. It has been the result for many of them. So my first point is that Blum wanted to avoid this from the very beginning. In fact, Blum is like a DEX on Telegram, and their drop game was an additional layer to attract more people to the project. And yeah, that has worked, right? That has worked. Another point is that now that Blum has to make a difficult choice, on the other hand, the devs are not ready to launch DEX now. The main part also looks weak so far. Well, not as weak as as many people might look at it. I think it's doing quite okay. Maybe not as much as they want it to be, right? I really also argue that they should have launched their token before going ahead to launch the main part. For people would have preferred using the Blum token to launch tokens on the main part other than using Ton, but they've gone the other way around, and the jury is yet out on how that turned out for them, or how it could have turned out if they have done that after launching their token. Another important point here is that most people are already tired of collecting points, and the project is currently losing users. I think this is how it happens for majority of projects on Telegram, because if they've taken too much time to actually launch their token, because majority of people that are involved in collecting those points were actually there to collect the free token anyways. Who remembers TapSwap? Where are they right now? And this also happened to projects as big as AMSA. Also happens to what's their name? Memefi. Yeah, it happened to Memefi as well. So they are taking too long already on this project, and this might actually affect the number of community members they already have, and people might be tired of collecting their points. I also have about 34 games that I have not played because I've not always been on Blum. I've been busy, right? But this is what happens when you take too long to launch your token. And obviously the launch of all their announced functions in their white paper is still looking like it's a bit far away. That's the last point I want to make. Well, I understand that of course you don't have to rush through features on your product. You have to take your time to make decisions and do whatsoever you have got to do. But at the same time, I think they have to be careful here, because they are not going to rush these features, and they might be losing users. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. And now the main question is whether the developers want to cook a fully finished product that has real value, even if it takes a very long time, or will they announce their airdrop earlier while they still have tens of tens of millions of users. So this is up to them, and this is the question I really want to ask. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comment section. I will be engaging everybody in the comment section to find out what I think is the best outcome or the best output for Blum as a project, because many people have been complaining online, on Twitter, on various socials, saying that they are taking too long to launch their token. Yeah, that is true. They are taking too long, and this is causing a lot of ruckus because they are also losing users. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. That will be it for today. Like I said, we've done a lot of videos on Blum, so guys, if you've not watched them, go into the video section. You see loads of contents we've made on Blum, and the analysis I've already made. Go watch them out. But guys, let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Are they taking too long, and will this affect them, and should they take that long to launch their projects fully to show the value that they're actually providing to the community, or should they actually launch the token so that they can now continue dropping each features that they have for their community? Let me know again in the comment section. If you watched this video to this time, guys, thumbs up to you, big up yourself, smash that like button. Let's get this video to as many people as possible so that they can engage and share their views. Also smash that subscribe button, guys. We are close to 4,000 subscribers, so guys, help us get there to that junction very quickly. But our target is 10,000 subscribers. That is possible this year. You guys can do it. Let's share this video to many places. Let's bring in people and let's help us get to that 10,000 subscribers, guys. It could be a very good Christmas gift for us, right? Yeah, that's that about today. Big up yourself, big up your damn selves. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Peace.